One of the things I like to do is look at the ticks in relation to the market. Incredible bull market this year. December 31st last year was here, and you can see just pretty much a straight up move. The market is in a strong trend line. So you can see the trend is really strong, pretty consistent trend line, very narrow range, very narrow channel up. What's so interesting about this to me is that if you take a look at the ticks, this is a daily chart of the ticks, and what these indicators do is the blue one counts the number of ticks that traded above 1,000 on the year, and the red counts the number of ticks, number of days where a tick traded below or moved below minus 1,000. And so what's so incredibly interesting to me is you have one of the biggest moves of the year up, and if you take a look at the ticks, it's the lowest number of ticks in recent years. 43 days, only 43 days where the NYSE tick was above 1,000, and you had so far we've had 70 days where the NYSE tick is below minus 1,000, and so you have more days where the market had selling pressure based on the NYSE tick than buying pressure. So in the end, on a day trade basis, the price is the ultimate indicator, but it's been very interesting divergence of this. We like to use the tick, but this year the tick has not been as effective in its use because it's kind of a stealth rally. The market goes up and the ticks do not indicate it very well. You have about 250 trading days in a year, and only in less than 20% of those trading days had ticks above 1,000, while we have a huge 500 point, 430 point rally in the E-mini S&P. So this indicator, I'm going to offer below this video on our site. You can go back to 2007 and you can see this baseline of where we are today. 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, the reds were really low as we had more bullish markets. It hasn't been this low since 2001. The ticks have not been this low since 2001, and so every year since that time, the number of ticks have been higher, while the number of bearish ticks has slowly increased and has been higher this year. It's decreased as well. Overall, the range in the ticks is less, but overall, very surprising numbers in the NYSE tick in 2013.